Chocolate is one of the most popular treats in the world. Every day, millions of chocolate bars are produced inside massive factories using advanced machines and carefully controlled processes. But have you ever wondered how chocolate is actually made? From raw cocoa beans to perfectly wrapped chocolate bars, the journey is far more complex than most people imagine. Today, we are going inside a giant chocolate factory to explore the incredible process behind one of the world's favorite sweets. The process of making chocolate begins far away from the factory. It starts on tropical farms where cocoa trees grow in warm and humid climates. Farmers carefully harvest cocoa pods, which contain dozens of cocoa beans inside. After harvesting, the beans are removed from the pods and left to ferment for several days. This fermentation process is essential because it helps develop the rich chocolate flavor. Once fermentation is complete, the beans are dried under the sun before being shipped to chocolate factories around the world. When the cocoa beans arrive at the factory, the first step is roasting. Large industrial roasting machines heat the beans at carefully controlled temperatures. Roasting brings out the deep aroma and flavor that we associate with chocolate. The exact temperature and roasting time can vary depending on the type of chocolate being produced. During this process, the beans also become easier to process in the next stages. After roasting, the beans move to powerful grinding machines. These machines crush the cocoa beans into tiny particles. As the grinding continues, the natural cocoa butter inside the beans begins to melt. This creates a thick liquid called cocoa mass, which is the base ingredient for chocolate. At this stage, the rich chocolate aroma begins to fill the factory. The cocoa mass is then mixed with several other ingredients. Sugar is added to create sweetness. Milk powder may be added for milk chocolate. Additional cocoa butter is sometimes included to improve texture and smoothness. All these ingredients are blended together inside massive industrial mixers. The mixture slowly transforms into the chocolate we recognize. Next comes a process called refining. Large machines grind the chocolate mixture even further to create an incredibly smooth texture. During this step, the chocolate particles become extremely small. This is what gives high-quality chocolate its silky and creamy feeling when you eat it. After refinement, the chocolate goes through a special process called conching. Inside large machines called conches, the chocolate is continuously mixed and aerated for several hours. This process removes unwanted acidity and improves the flavor and texture. Conching is one of the most important steps in making premium chocolate. Once the chocolate reaches the perfect consistency, it is ready to be shaped. Liquid chocolate flows through pipes into special molds. These molds form the familiar shapes of chocolate bars, squares, and other designs. The molds then travel along automated production lines. Next, the chocolate molds enter large cooling tunnels. Inside these tunnels, cold air gradually hardens the chocolate. This process must be carefully controlled to ensure the chocolate keeps a smooth and glossy appearance. After several minutes, the chocolate becomes solid and ready for packaging. Once the chocolate bars are fully cooled, they move to the packaging section of the factory. Automated machines wrap each chocolate bar in protective foil or paper. High-speed packaging lines can wrap thousands of chocolate bars every single hour. Each bar is then placed into boxes and prepared for shipping. From the factory warehouse, trucks transport the finished chocolate products to stores and supermarkets around the world. What started as simple cocoa beans has now become a delicious product enjoyed by millions of people every day. The journey from farm to chocolate bar is a fascinating combination of agriculture, engineering, and modern manufacturing technology. Modern chocolate factories combine advanced machines with skilled workers to produce chocolate on an incredible scale. From roasting cocoa beans to wrapping the final product, every step is carefully designed to ensure quality and flavor. The next time you enjoy a piece of chocolate, remember the amazing process that made it possible.